Cousin, you're chosen. Listen, you're chosen because you have been the black sheep of your family your entire life. I mean, nobody has understood you. Everybody gets into it with you when you are real close to the clarity that you really need and you came to this earth for. And those are called distractions. When those distractions are really present, and what I mean is like you can't get along with nobody. Like it's overboard. Everybody getting on your head, and it doesn't make any sense because it's not supposed to, but it's knocking you off of your track. Those are called distractions. When those distractions are present, that means that you are real close to walking in your purpose, and everyone that you are connected to are trying to stop it. They're not trying to stop it because they hate you. No, they're trying to stop it because they don't want you to really understand how powerful you are. Now, I shared this before, but if you understand what it is that I testify about in my messages, then you are a natural empath. You have empathic abilities. You know the difference between sympathy and empathy. And there is a difference. And if you do not understand the difference, then this message is not for you. Now, one of my collectives, they left a comment on my other video saying how hard it is to be an empath. And that is by design. I just want you to know that. Because you're not here to be like everyone else. No, you are here to really walk into your authenticity so that you can raise the frequency. Raise the frequency and allow people to see you live out loud because you do not conform, because you set proper boundaries, because you are yourself authentically. You walk within your truth, your integrity. You walk within duality, meaning that you shine your light, but you also acknowledge your shadow. You let your shadow and light do what they need to do. I'm talking to my collective. You know who you are. If you understand the message and it resonates, then you know it's for you. I'm just saying. Not everybody gonna get it because it's not for everybody. You are not like everybody else. Literally, duality is the key. If you don't want someone to do something to you, speak up. Speak up. No more shall you bite your tongue to make their egos feel great. Ego deaths is what you create. So they try to manipulate, they try to control, they try to put pressure on you to conform. But fight it, because your job is not to be like them. Your job is to remain you. Now, embrace your natural talents and your gifts. And yes, you do have the right discernment. When you come into a room and you feel the negative energy, don't focus so much on it and don't attach that energy to you because it is not yours. Just know that you have a way to come into a room and allow them to see their truth. And they are not, those thoughts that you hear, that's not because them not liking you. That's them not liking themselves internally. Because you are yourself and they recognize that you're being you, is going to cause an internal storm in them, and they may say hurtful things, they may think hurtful things because you're empathic, so you can feel it and you can read it. But just know that it is not your responsibility to heal them. Your responsibility is to heal you, walk authentically, walk in truth, walk in integrity, and activate your superpower and be okay with it. I love you. I'm so excited because you guys are my soul family. I love you, cousin. You got this.